Hey, are you okay? What's wrong? Oh, you had another nightmare. I see. And you were getting chased? I understand how you feel. Don't worry. It's okay, you're safe here. I'm right here with you. If it happens again, it's okay. If it does, just remember that I'm here. You can always count on me and reach out to me. We'll face it together no matter what, okay? Yeah, I understand you hating to feel that way. And it's completely normal to feel scared. Especially after a nightmare of being chased. Yeah, I don't like getting chased either. But hey, they can't hurt you, okay? Nothing can hurt you while I'm here. You worry too much. Let's distract ourselves, okay? I don't want you to think too much about it. Do you want to talk about it? Or should we watch... We can watch something on the TV? Oh yeah, that TV series you showed me the other day. I don't remember the name. Yeah, that one. Okay, seems like you're agreeing to it, thanks. I'm glad you feel better when I'm around. That's very reassuring. I guess my magical boyfriend powers are working. Sorry. That was really corny. Why do you keep asking me that? I told you if you have another nightmare later, just remember to call for me, okay? I'll always come running. Even if I'm downstairs, okay? Yeah, I hate running, you know that. Maybe we can come up with a plan together. Like, a nightmare jar, yeah. I don't know. Look, my magical boyfriend powers aren't that strong sometimes under pressure. Like a jar, maybe whenever you wake up scared or after a nightmare especially. You can write it down and put it in the jar. It'll help you let it go maybe, like toss it away from your mind. Or even better, happy thoughts jar? I don't know. A happy jar. Just fill it with things that help you and reassure you. And when you're feeling scared, just read them. I'll be right next to you to hear you out. Glad you like it. See? You're already starting to feel better. It's my job to make you feel better. And remember, you can always come back to me about anything. Hey, if you're feeling sleepy, we can turn the TV off. No need to force yourself, okay? Okay, a few more minutes, fine. I'll stand here by watching you. To check if you fall asleep on your own. If the dreams come back, we'll battle it together. You can imagine me as your knight in shining armor. Ready to fight off all those scary dreams, okay? You're right. I definitely need a sword. Fear not, for I shall defend you against all nightmares. I'm just doing what I'm meant to do. I'll always be here for you. Through dreams and nightmares. I hear you yawning. should close your eyes. I'll be right here, keeping the bad dreams away from you. Don't worry. Of course. Of course I'm gonna be patient with you. I love you, okay? Take your time. No need to rush trying to go to bed, okay? I'll be right here. You want me to rub your head? Of course you do. You're such a little baby sometimes. Sorry. Okay, I'll stop with the teasing now. Don't worry. Shh. I'm right here. Nightmares, they just play tricks on your mind. But remember, you're not alone in this, okay? I guess I am your knight in shining armor, thank you. As you are, my queen. Now, get some sleep. Of course I won't leave. I promise I'll be right here watching over you. It'll be okay. Sweet dreams. Stay safe. And don't forget, I love you.